Autumn's well on its way, and we've had loads of harvests, but there's still stuff we can sow. Look at my lovely pouch here. One of my friends, Baz, made it for me. Isn't it lovely?
And what have you got inside it?
I've got some carrot seeds, some pak choy seeds, some more carrot seeds, and some Chinese carrot in this pocket. Got those. They're white spring onion. And in here I've got the things we're going to plant today: kale, superfood mix, and spinach.
Lovely. And where are we going to sow them?
We're going to sow them in the bed right here.
And we're going to do half and half, aren't we? Okay, let's go. So this is what we are growing in this row. There weren't many seeds left, so we're just doing the one row of those.
We managed to plant a row of kale, and now we're going to sow some spinach. But unluckily, there's not that many seeds either.
Come on then, darling. Put them in the next row. Spread them out a bit.
We've just planted 5 rows of spring onion, and we've put the stick there to stop the fox. And the label goes. There we are.
Right, so we've put some in there, and this is where our cucumbers were, and as the compost was still in there, we've put some more in there. These ones are doing really well. There's a few people asking, lots of people growing for the first time this year, and a few people asking when you know when they're ready. What I look for, I had a good picking the other day. There aren't really any that I would normally test, but you're looking for this bit to be thicker, and then I just kind of wiggle my finger in and sort of see how wide that is. But as I say, I had a good picking the other day. These will be ready in a couple of weeks, and I've got about 4 troughs at home. So the thing with carrots is to keep successionally sowing, and then in another few weeks, once the troughs at home are empty, I will sow some of the early nonce too. Now, one final thing I'm just going to show you, not really finishing on an exciting note, but I've just cleared this little bit of land for our sweet corn to go into, our new sweet corn. So I've just taken a little bit out. The big pumpkin was here, and then our chestnut squash. We had a couple of those, red chestnut squash. I've left the butternut in because that's still not ready. Let's have a quick check. Still a bit green. It's amazing how this has shrunk. It was really long and thin, and this courgette is still going. It won't be long, but it is still trying to produce some. There's a thin one there. I'll pick that in the next couple of days and pop that straight in the dehydrator. So that's all from us today. And we shall see you next time. Thanks for joining us. Bye bye.
Come and see what I found.
Bonus feature.
It's a fairy ring.
Oh, so it is.
Well, almost a fairy ring.
Not a complete ring. I don't know if this will show up. But can you see where the grass is slightly darker where the mushrooms are? That's the mycelium, if I've pronounced that right. Wow.
The last one is here.
That's the last one, is it? That would go into the path, wouldn't it? I don't know much about mushrooms, we don't like them to eat, so.
But there's one there. Who does eat mushrooms? Daddy.
I think that fairy ring mushrooms are edible, but I'm not sure, so don't take that as advice that you can eat them. Right, so now we are going to go to say goodbye.